What happens when BMW pushes luxury beyond limits? Meet the 2026 BMW X8, the brand's most premium three-row SUV ever created. Positioned above the X7, the X8 combines commanding design, V8 performance, intelligent all-wheel drive, and BMW's most advanced iDrive technology. This isn't just a new SUV, it's BMW's vision of a true flagship family luxury vehicle. The 2026 BMW X8 represents a bold new chapter in BMW's SUV lineup. Designed for buyers who demand exclusivity, comfort, and performance in one package, the X8 delivers a refined driving experience without sacrificing everyday practicality. Larger, more luxurious, and more technologically advanced than anything before it, the X8 sets a new benchmark for premium three-row SUVs. The design of the 2026 BMW X8 is bold, elegant, and unmistakably BMW. Up front, the iconic kidney grille is larger and more sculpted, featuring subtle illumination that enhances its premium presence. Slim adaptive LED headlights give the SUV a sharp, futuristic look, while the muscular hood adds confidence and authority. From the side, the X8 showcases a coupe-inspired silhouette despite its three-row layout. A gently sloping roofline, flush door handles, and clean body lines improve aerodynamics while maintaining a sporty stance. At the rear, full-width LED taillights emphasize the SUV's width and stability. Dual exhaust outlets and a refined rear diffuser hint at the performance beneath, while keeping the overall appearance sophisticated and upscale. Step inside the 2026 BMW X8, and luxury takes center stage. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting throughout. The three-row seating configuration comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers. Both the first and second rows offer generous space, while the third row is designed to comfortably fit adults, making the X8 a true luxury family SUV. Available heated, ventilated, and massaging seats across multiple rows ensure maximum comfort on long journeys. Acoustic glass and enhanced insulation create a calm, whisper-quiet cabin even at highway speeds. Technology is a major highlight of the 2026 BMW X8. The SUV features a large curved display that seamlessly integrates a digital instrument cluster with a wide infotainment touchscreen. BMW's latest iDrive system supports voice commands, gesture controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Navigation, climate, media, and vehicle settings are all accessible with minimal distraction. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh and future-ready, while rear passengers enjoy optional entertainment screens, premium audio, and multiple USB-C charging ports throughout the cabin. Powering the 2026 BMW X8 is a robust V8 engine that delivers strong acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The engine is paired with a smooth automatic transmission, ensuring refined and responsive performance in all conditions. Adaptive air suspension allows the X8 to transition seamlessly between comfort-focused driving and dynamic handling. Despite its size, steering remains precise and body control is impressive even on winding roads. Safety is a key priority in the 2026 BMW X8. The SUV comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work quietly in the background, enhancing driver confidence while reducing fatigue on long journeys. The 2026 BMW X8 is more than just BMW's most luxurious SUV, it's a statement. With bold design, V8 power, cutting-edge technology, and a truly premium three-row cabin, the X8 redefines what a flagship luxury SUV can be. If you're looking for performance, comfort, and exclusivity in one commanding package, the BMW X8 delivers on every level.